Hello guys, welcome to our channel CyberBizz Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about social media optimization, which is also called as SMO. So SMO is a process of increasing awareness of a product, brand or event on social media. SMO involves analyzing the content that will resonate most with an account followers, including graphic, text, hashtags and links. So whenever you're doing SMO, you need to focus on some factors, key factors, which are optimized content. So in other words, a combination of both original content, that means which is created by yourself or by your company, and the other one is curated content, which is created by someone else, which is using by you. So content that historically draws views and engagement. Example includes short videos, images, infographics, and even relevant humorous posts. Strategic engagement with customers. This includes publishing content on social sites at times when viewers are most active, addressing problems or complaints promptly, and interacting with customers on social sites when appropriate. Paying attention to analytics. Due data on website performance, paid social ads or likes and comments helps business gauge what content is doing well or failing and allows them to move forward on campaigns or halt the ones that others work in. So now, how to optimize social media content? So optimizing social media activity includes properly using social media networks and techniques and regularly analyzing how social content performs. So this is how you guys actually know about SMO and how to deal with about it. Thank you for visiting our channel.